Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you the latest update for Aimogen, as the chatbot got a new extension. So extensions are really cool. They allow many new features for the chatbot to achieve. And today the new feature which was added is end conversation extension. Using this, the chatbot can decide that, hey, this is enough, we end this conversation now, you are not allowed anymore to send more messages. So let me show you this in action, and we can save settings. Let me also show you that you can instruct the chatbot in the bot context when exactly should it end the conversation. Or if you don't do this, then the chatbot will end the conversation when the user asks or when it thinks that this is appropriate. So let me show you an example. Hey, how can I help you? How old is the Earth? And we will get a response. Okay, and okay, thank you. And conversation. And here it is, conversation ended. The user cannot type anymore, cannot hit the buttons, and the conversation ended, message appears. But now let me show you how you can customize this. End conversation after the user thanks you for help. For example, this is just a basic idea. Which programming language was the first invented? Okay, so we will get a response. You can also activate the response streaming. So, okay, thank you. And conversation ended. As you can see, you can instruct the chatbot to end the conversation anytime and in any circumstances you write here. So let's just enable response streaming, so you can see that the chatbot will seem to be faster now. When was the first programming language invented? And the message will appear like this. And if we say, okay, thank you, then boom, conversation ended, user cannot do anything anymore. So this is the latest update for Aimogen. Go ahead guys and check it. It is linked in this video description. Thank you for watching. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. I read and reply to all of them. Like, share, subscribe, it's appreciated. Bye bye.